How to use Settle app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Settle app. Settle is a mobile or web application that helps you to manage the expenses in group. In order to use this application, first of all, you will need to download it from the Google Play Store or App Store if you are using the iOS device. Once after downloading the authentic Settle application, you will need to simply open the application on your device, and once you open it, on this welcome screen, you will be able to see different options in order to sign in to your account. From here, in order to create an account on it, you will need to use one of these options. Here I am selecting sign up with email option at the bottom. And in the space, now here you will need to use your email address. Tap on the box and enter your email address. Once after entering the email address, tap on the next button, and then here you will need to enter your first name and last name and then create a strong password for your account. Once after entering the details, tap on the save button, and then now you will be able to sign up for your Settle account. After that, you will be able to use the application now. Here you will need to subscribe to one of these plans. If you don't want to use the subscription plan, then you may also tap on continue with free plan button at the bottom, and here you might need to allow the notifications, and after that you will be able to use Settle app. Here in this space, now you can create a group for your expenses. Tap on this create a new group and then enter a name for your group. After that, select a color and then tap on create group. In this way, you will be able to create a group. Now here you can tap on the plus button at the right bottom and then tap on add member. Here you will be able to add the name of the person and then tap on the tick mark at the top right. By doing so, you will be able to add members to your group. Once after adding the members, now return back to the previous page, and now here you will be able to add your expenses. Simply tap on this circle at the top with the name. Here enter the amount and then tap on the next button right below. After that, here you can add the purpose. If you have the photo of your receipt, you can tap on this add receipt photo and then add the photo. In this page, here you'll also be able to split the expenses by amounts or by shares. You'll also be able to add the date and time of your expense and then tap on the save option below. This will help you to record your expenses as well as split the amounts between your friends. So by following these steps, you should be able to use Settle app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.